Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payment confirmations from PayPal into Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your PayPal account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Activity tab at the top of your dashboard. Click on Activity to view your transaction history. On the Activity page, look for the Date Range filter to specify the time frame you want to extract data from. Select the desired start and end dates for your payment confirmations. After selecting the date range, click on the Apply button to filter the transactions. Once the transactions are displayed, look for the Download option. Click on the Download button. Choose the format you want for your download, preferably CSV. Confirm your selection by clicking the Download button again. Locate the downloaded CSV file on your computer. Now, open Google Sheets in your web browser. Once in Google Sheets, open a new, blank spreadsheet. In the menu, click on File. From the drop-down, select Import. In the Import window, click on the Upload tab. Drag and drop your CSV file or click to select it from your files. After the file is uploaded, choose Replace Spreadsheet for the import options. Click on the Import Data button to proceed. Your payment confirmations will now appear in the Google Sheet. Review the data to ensure everything is correctly imported. You can now format or analyze the data as needed in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.